we have, in the past 10 years, solved some of the labor shortage problems by offshoring, by buying cheaper goods from Asian companies, from India, from China. That is becoming less a viable option.
Absolutely.
We saw that during the pandemic. Part of that is shipping problems, crises of shipping availability. You're telling me that it's more, actually, than just recent challenges. That's going to be an ongoing challenge sourcing from Asia.
Well, the Chinese situation is by far the most dramatic. So they're facing the same birth rate collapse as everybody else, but because they were a latecomer to industrialization, they were able to apply the technologies of industrialization and urbanization at a much faster rate. So they went from having 7 kids to having less than 1 kid in 40 years. And now you put the one-child policy on top of that, and this is the last decade that they will have any workforce. I mean, it's that dramatic. They're going to cease to exist as a functional economy within 10 years, assuming nothing else goes wrong. And since this is a country that imports 80% of their energy and 80% of the inputs for their foodstuffs, you can imagine a lot of things going wrong, even if the politics were perfect, and they are not. Now, India is a different picture. Much younger demographic, much later to the industrialization process, much slower urbanization program. But the problem there, to be perfectly blunt, is quality. Their infrastructure is substandard, the country is overpopulated, so it's kind of hard to generate the capital that you need to move up the value-added chain. It's not that you don't have some very skilled Indians, you do. It's just that the very skilled Indians come to the United States. And as long as that is the environment, India can take a big chunk of the manufacturers market, but it will take it for itself. They won't be producing as part of a broader network. That's still globally significant, it's just not globally involved. So we need to look a lot closer to home for our labor situation.